Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the APIs and reserving a global static IP. This ensures a stable front-end endpoint. Next, create managed or unmanaged instance groups and attach VMs. You do this so the load balancer can scale and route reliably. Once done, add a health check to each instance group. Health checks tell GCP which VMs can receive traffic. Make sure to use the correct protocol and port, because the health check determines routing decisions. You now configure the front-end and back-end details. Set up a URL map and target proxy so requests route based on host and path rules. Then attach back-end services to your instance groups, specifying capacity and session affinity. This controls load distribution and sticky sessions. If you need HTTPS, upload or provision SSL certificates and bind them to the proxy. Once done, verify the proxy uses your reserved global IP and that routing rules match your application endpoints. You finish by running end-to-end tests. Curl the global IP, exercise URL paths, and simulate load to confirm behavior under stress. Then monitor cloud monitoring and logging for latency, error rates, and backend health. If requests fail, start troubleshooting. Check that health check probes reach VM ports, verify firewall rules allow probe and client traffic, and inspect backend logs for application errors. One key tip: incorrect health check config is the most common blocker. Fix it first to restore routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.